Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to set up Airalo step-by-step guide. We use this Airalo for our previous trip to Singapore and Malaysia. We personally really liked it because it was easy to install and it was always staying connected. We did not have any issue. So right now, we are heading to South Korea. We want to show you a new updated version how to set up from the beginning to the end in Korea, how we activate as well. One big announcement, we have a new partner is Airalo and they are sponsoring this video. Thanks to Airalo for sponsoring this video. Now Vinny gonna show you how to set up step by step. Let's go!
First, let's talk about what Airalo is. Airalo is the world's first eSIM store, and they provide flexible and affordable coverage in over 200 locations around the world. There's no roaming fees and there's no physical SIM card needed. It's all digital now. First, you need to check if your phone is compatible, so you can just search online, Airalo compatible phone. If you have a new phone, then you should not have any issues. But if you're not sure if your device supports the eSIM, you can always check the website for the most updated list. In most cases, if your phones are 2020 and newer with eSIM support, then you should be good to go. Next is making sure your phone is unlocked. For iPhone, you can go to Settings, General, and go to the About page. If you scroll down, you should see Carrier Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, that means your phone is unlocked. For Android, go to Settings, tap Network or similar menu option, tap SIM or mobile network, and turn off automatically select network. If your phone shows several available networks, then it's unlocked. If you can only select one, then your phone is locked to that network. For both iPhones and Android, you can contact your carrier to ask for assistance on unlocking your phones. Now let's take a look at what Airalo has to offer. Local is for one specific country, perfect if you're only visiting a single country for your travels. Regional are for multiple regions like Asia, Africa, Europe, etc. As an example, Asia covers all these countries, so this is perfect if you plan to hop between these countries. Global is for multiple different countries and regions. This global package also offers calls and texts. So to recap, local and regional packages only offer data, no calls or texts, but you can use apps like WhatsApp, KakaoTalk, Discord, and other similar apps to text, call, and video call using data. Now let's take a look at what packages they offer. Let's use South Korea as an example. As you can see, Airalo offers many different packages in terms of size and duration based on your needs. If you're going to South Korea for a week, then you can consider using the 7 days, 3 GB, 5 GB, and 10 GB. If you use the internet a lot or you're a content creator, you may want to consider their unlimited data plan. Here they offer different duration as well, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, and 30 days. And for the unlimited data plans, you can check the website to see if the country you're visiting offers the unlimited data plans. Since we'll be visiting South Korea, Hong Kong, and Taiwan, we're going to buy the Asia region package. 20 gigs for 30 days. I can click view details. And this is where it will teach you how to set it up, how to install, and connect to the network. Now let's talk about installing the eSIM. Once you've purchased the eSIM, follow the prompt, click on Use eSIM, read through everything here, click I understand, and this is where you can install your eSIM. And there are 3 methods of installing eSIM: direct, QR code, and manual. For the QR code method, you can have your partner, children, or friends scan the QR code and install the eSIM on their devices. This is great for those who want to have one main Airalo account, purchasing and managing all the eSIMs. The manual method is a bit more complicated. There are some codes that you have to copy and paste. I would recommend just using the direct method, which is the easiest. Now just click on Install eSIM and make sure you have a strong network connection, like a strong Wi-Fi or 5G. Then click Activate and give it a moment, and then click Continue. And just wait and make sure you don't touch your phone and let it do its thing. And once everything is all set up, it will ask some questions. I just answer the questions. I will use this abroad. And the type of plan I have is a data only plan. And that's it, all done. Then the next thing I do is go to cellular, click on the new eSIM, click on the label, and I change my label to Asia Region 2025. So I know that this eSIM is the Airalo eSIM that I bought for Asia region. And the next thing is turn on this line. And don't worry if nothing shows up. Just go back one page and click on the Asia region 2025 and everything will populate. And next, click on data mode. This is where you can change the speed. If you want more data on 5G, click on that one. Standard is default and low data mode. So maybe when you're very low on data, you can click on that. I left it on standard and it was fine. And finally, the most important step, data roaming. Make sure that it's turned on for your eSIM. That way, it will automatically connect to the local network that you purchase your eSIM for. And if you don't want to use your personal phone's data abroad, just go back to your primary SIM, click on data roaming, and make sure that is off. And that's it, you're done. Now let's check the speed at South Korea. Yeah, right there. That was fast. That's pretty fast. That's very fast. It's going 300. Jeez. 400.
See, it was so easy to set up, and you don't need a physical SIM card anymore, and you don't have to pay for the roaming fee anymore. And in case if the data runs out, you can just buy a little bit more. You can top up very easy. Also, we have a QR code here, and description below has affiliated link. If you're a new customer, you get a 15% off, and if you're existing customer, you get a 10% off. We can give you a little bit saving. So using the link will help us, so thank you in advance if you use it. Let us know in the comment which country you're planning to use. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful for you. Bye bye!